In this video, I will be showing you how to install Git on macOS. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Git. We'll be having the official link. Select it, and here we'll be having install for Mac. Click here, and the method that we are going to use is by using Homebrew. So if you don't have Homebrew, you just need to install it first and then run the command brew install git. So first let's install Homebrew. So for that, just open this in a new tab. We'll be taken to the official page of Homebrew. Here we are having the command to install Homebrew. So simply copy this and open terminal, just paste it and hit enter. It's asking the password. Just enter the password of your system and just hit enter. It will take some time to install. Once it is done, we'll be having here the next steps. Run this command in your terminal to add Homebrew to your path. So we can simply copy this and just paste it, hit enter, and copy this also. And it says to run brew help to get started. So I will just type that. Yep, that is working. We can even type brew version, brew hyphen version, and we're getting the version. So that's good. Now we can go and install our Git. So we're done. It's going to be brew install Git. Just run this. Once it is done, we can simply check the Git version. So I will just go and run git space hyphen version. And as you can see, I've got the Git version, and after this you can simply configure your Git email as well as the username and stuff and start using it. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.